With President Yoon's impeachment case stretching beyond 3 months, longer than the case for previous leaders, public and political tension is growing by the day, with tens of thousands rallying for and against Yoon's removal over the weekend. Our Oh Soo-young has more.
The mood is restless as the nation awaits the Constitutional Court's ruling on President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment following his December 3rd martial law last year. With no indication of when the 8-member bench will issue its verdict, which was widely expected last Friday, the court's deliberation period has stretched beyond 2 weeks, longer than it took for the impeachment trials of former Presidents Park Geun-hye and Moo-hyun. As the court typically announces the ruling schedule at least 2 days in advance, the earliest date would be later this week, most likely on Friday. In any case, it's highly probable that the bench will deliver the ruling before April 18th, when 2 justices retire. As Judgment Day draws closer, police estimate 44,000 protesters gathered in Gwanghwamun Square over the weekend, calling for Yoon's impeachment, while some 60,000 rallied against it, as public opinion remains deeply divided. To minimize the turmoil expected after the ruling, political leaders are being urged to send a clear message that they will accept the court's verdict no matter what. The ruling People Power Party leadership says Sunday they have already expressed their commitment to accepting the court's ruling multiple times and emphasized this remains the party's official stance.
Whether it is a joint press conference between ruling and opposition party leaders or a joint statement, we will issue a message of acceptance in some form.
Democratic Party leader Lee Jae-myung has also expressed his willingness to accept the ruling during a YouTube broadcast, while floor leader Park Chan-dae said respecting the court's decision is a given. Still, both sides of the political spectrum are stepping up pressure on the judicial bench. Over the weekend, some ruling party lawmakers continued to protest against impeachment, holding marathon demonstrations outside the Constitutional Court for the 6th straight day. Meanwhile, opposition lawmakers staged an 8.7-mile march from the National Assembly to Gwanghwamun Square, urging Yoon's removal. As for the president, Yoon has remained silent and has not issued public messages while the court deliberates on his fate. His lawyer has previously said the president would accept the court's decision. A presidential official told local media the leader remains at his residence and is calmly waiting for the verdict. Oh Soo-young, Arirang News.